Good day, Botswana. My name is Gomolemo Meso, one of the top 18 contestants. Today, I want to talk about something that affects so many of us, especially on social media: cyberbullying. Let's be honest, sometimes people say things online because they think it's just a comment, it's just a joke. But have you ever stopped to think about the person on the other side of the screen? That person has feelings, they have insecurities, and they have things that are dealing with that you know nothing about. I know what it feels like to struggle with confidence. There was a time when I wasn't confident enough in myself. Even today, I'm still building up my confidence and learning to believe more in myself. So imagine if that person were your sister, your brother, or any other family member. Would you still find it funny? Sometimes we don't realize how much words can affect someone. A comment that takes only 5 minutes can hurt someone so much that it stays much longer. So before you comment, share, love. Just pause and think. Would you say the same thing if that person was right in front of you? We all have a choice. We can use social media to bring people down, or we can use it to encourage, support, and lift each other up. And honestly, cyberbullying is not cool at all. Let's be kinder, let's think before we speak or type. And let's remember, behind every screen is a real human being. Thank you.